Well, hello, my YouTubers out there. How's everybody doing out there? This is me, Sam, the Blue Tech Guy, and I got an unboxing for you guys real quick here. And I do have the Chromebook unboxing today. We're going to be unboxing the Acer Chromebook 14, and we're going to be doing it punk style, one-handed, because I don't have the tripod thing for my phone. I'm recording with my phone, so yeah, we're gonna have to go punk style because this is my tripod mount thing right here, and it broke, so I don't have anything way to prop my phone. So it's gonna be kind of just, like I said, punk style, man. So we're gonna do it. So we're gonna turn right here, and we got the Chromebook unboxing here. This is the Acer Chromebook. I just got it in yesterday, and as you can see, I've already cut away most of the tapes, so it's gonna be one-handed. So sometimes if I have to put you guys down, I might prop you guys up somewhere. Probably over there, prop you guys up. I have to prop this phone somewhere. Let's see what I can do. But yeah, because in case if I have to put you guys down, I'll put y'all somewhere momentarily. But anyway, so we're gonna go do this unboxing. We're gonna get it done. All right, so let's do it. So this is the Acer Chromebook. Got it at Walmart.com. And this is a pretty neat package because, as you can see, we have a protective case. Now, I don't know if this is a Walmart exclusive bundle or what, but this is the Acer Chromebook 14, and I even have a protective case. We'll take a look at that. Put that aside. And we actually have the Chromebook right here. It's a box in a box. Yeah, that's how it is. Well, be only because it came in a bundle, so yeah, it's a box in a box. Yeah. Okay, so we do have the Chromebook here. We don't want to drop it. Okay. Like I said, it's one-handed. Nothing in there. That's just the outer shell box, or whatever you want to call it. We'll dump that over there. We'll get rid of that. And yes, we do have the protective case right here, and we have the Chromebook. So let's take a look at. Let's open up the Chromebook. Let's take a look. See, here it is. Get it on the right side for you right there. There it is right there. Acer Chromebook 14. Right there. Got myself a Chromebook. So just configure it out here. We got some stuff there. There's the Chromebook logo right there. Alright. So look, we got some shadowing going on here, so let's get the light on right here. There we go. That's a little better for you guys there. So we got the Acer. Let's get it open here. There's gonna be some background noise a little bit, so I apologize for that background noise. We're gonna turn the AC on because it's a little warm in here. I'm in my PC room I call it my multi-purpose room because it's everything from arts and crafting to PC to gaming and stuff like that. So it's my multi-purpose room. But it's warm in here, so we're gonna turn the AC on, and that's what you're hearing in the background. I said this video was gonna be punk style, right? It's already looking punk style. And one-handed. I should have a good camera one of these days. If I can round up enough cash here to get a good DSLR and a good computer for editing. So here we are, folks. There's the Chromebook. It's open right there, and it's in its little egg crate style protective, right here, just so it won't be shifting around. I like how in packaging they switch to this egg crate stuff and not so much styrofoam. I guess this is more, well, this is actually more biodegradable stuff, so it's probably better for the environment. And in here we have some literature. This is literature. We have Acer. A lot of glare on that. I guess it's a Chromebook. I guess it's a warranty or something like that. So we have that there. We have all that literature there, and then we have, I think this is let's see, we have a quick start guide. Chromebook 14 setup guide. So we have a setup guide. Let's Yes, we do have a setup guide right there. Let's look at it. Nice, bright, colorful. Check that out. Yeah. Very fine print. Fine print that I can't read. Visually impaired, legally blind. That's not accessible to me without magnification. But do I really need a setup guide? Not necessarily. There's not much involved into setting up a Chromebook. And we have something here. I'm not sure what this is. So, I'm not too sure what that is. Let's see here. More fine print that I can't read. Okay. Oh, there's any... I really don't know what's in there. Let's take a look. We'll take a look real quick. So, yeah, like I said, guys, I am going to prop you guys right here. Okay. Let's see here. Okay. I don't know what you guys... Y'all are probably going to be looking up at the ceiling for right now. But we're going to get this open. I hope the camera still catches me. I hope it does. I don't know if I'm still in frame. I don't even know what you guys are looking at. But let me get this open real quick here. That's a lot of plastic here. We'll take a look and see what's in here. We'll look in here real quick. I know it can't be software of any kind. So, yeah, more fine print stuff. I don't even know. Oh, that's very fine print. That's no way I can see that. I can't read that at all, folks. Yeah, not much. Piece of cardboard. Oh. So, let's see what we got here. International Traveler's Warranty, something like that, I guess. Well, don't know what that is. Well, kind of warranty, I guess. So let's just grab the camera, grab you guys right here real quick. Okay, so there's not much that you get with a Chromebook. There's no software or anything like that. We have the power brick. This is the power brick, the usual laptop power brick that's a lot smaller than... You have your power cord that plugs into the power brick, usually, and it looks like we have a, let's see what we got here. Yeah, looks like we have a 3-prong outlet there. Let's take it out of the plastic. Okay, right there. Yeah. See, this is the power cord right there. Yeah, you got your 3-prong plug there, and we have our, we do have a 3-prong outlet. So we do have that. And we'll open this up here. Open that up right there as well. And we have the power brick. Let's get that opened up here real quick. Okay, damn. It's only a Ziploc. It's supposed to open. It's kind of Ziploc style, but it doesn't want to open. Alright, we'll put you guys down real quick, just to get a good grip here. There we go. We'll slide that out. Sorry about that. There you go. There you go, that's it. Power brick is right there. The only thing I don't like, but then again, this Chromebook is under $300. This is the jack that it has on the side. It's your typical barrel tip, I think. Yeah, your small skinny barrel tip. Where most laptops now these days would have USB, whether if it's USB-A or USB-C for charging. This one doesn't have any USB at all, so. Alright, so we got that. That's the power brick right there. Let's get that out of the way. Let's put this over here somewhere. Oh, it's not going to fall down. We'll put it up to the side over here. Alright, so let's go to the Chromebook. Let's take a look. We're at 8 minutes, and we're just looking at the power cord. So we'll get rid of that egg crate stuff. Alright, whoa. I took a picture or something. I did something there. Alright, so let's take a look at this Chromebook. It's right there. And it's, oh, cloth style. Usually it's just kind of like foam, styrofoam looking stuff. This is actually cloth. Wow, that's neat. So it's in its protective cloth sleeve. Right there, see that? Right there, you can probably use that to clean your screen. And here is the Chromebook. It's nice aluminum finish. Although I don't think this is actually aluminum. Let me grab a chair. I don't actually think that this is aluminum. like real aluminum or aluminium. It's not real aluminium, as they would say. So it's not, it's plastic, but it's just got that brushed aluminum look because it doesn't feel like metal. So let's open it up. And one thing I'm going to mention is I have already taken the liberty to charge this thing, because most Chromebooks, when you take it out of the box, and I've seen a lot of videos where they try to power it on and it doesn't power up because you have to charge it up first. For some reason, Chromebooks don't come fully charged or partially. Before we open it up, let's take a look at the ports right here. So we have the Kensington lock right there, 2 USB 3.0s. You have an HDMI, and we have nothing down here. We do have on the other side, we're going to go to the other side. There's the charging port right here, your little mini barrel tip plug right there. That's it right there. And this is a headphone. I think this is a combo jack, if I'm not mistaken. I think it's headphone and microphone. And we have 2 indicator lights here, which, if I can get my camera to focus. I think one looks like a battery, and the other one looks like the Wi-Fi. I'm not too sure. But those are 2 indicator lights. You guys might be able to see it better than I can. Yeah, this looks like a headphone. I think that's a combo jack. I'm not sure. So we do have HDMI out. I like that. So let's open it up and take a look, and we should have power because I did charge this thing up, so it should start up. And it did. I didn't even have to push the power button, so that's good. So let's turn this light off real quick here for you. Alright, so we have the Chromebook here. We're greeted with the setup screen right there. And did I turn that? I didn't turn that off, did I? Nope. Okay, I'm trying to turn this light off and it's not wanting to turn off. There it is. Here we go. There's not so much glare. So we have the setup screen. It says welcome, and then you click next. And right here, one attention that I'm going to turn to you guys to real quick. This is not a touch screen, but accessibility. So if you are legally blind or visually impaired like me, we'll probably want to set this up from the beginning, which would just make it easier to see things. So I'll be doing that. I'm going to go on next. So here's our keyboard. Nice. I forgot to mention too, we have down firing speakers right here. So the speakers are right there. They're down firing, which is okay for some things, but for some other things it might not be okay, just depending on what surface you have this Chromebook on. If you have it like on a soft surface like a bed or your lap, it'll be very easy to muffle down the sound and not hear anything. So let's all take a look at the stickers there. I will provide a link in the description, and we do have Intel. I think this one has the Intel Atom. Yeah, I think it has the Intel Atom processor, quad core. That's what it said in the boxes there somewhere, but let me take a look at it. So yeah, folks, so that's it for the unboxing. We have a webcam there. So that is it for the unboxing. There's the Acer Chromebook 14, and we're gonna do the setup. So we're gonna set this up. We'll be right back. We're gonna show you the desktop. All right, so I will talk to y'all later. I will set this up, and hopefully y'all enjoyed the unboxing. And if you did enjoy this punk style video, give me a like, give me a thumbs up, your comments, let me know what your experiences are with Chromebooks, and I will see you all later. All right.